Ever wondered how your phone's speech recognition works or how Facebook suggests tags for your photos? The secret lies in something called neural networks. These are a type of artificial intelligence inspired by the human brain's own network of neurons. They learn from examples just as we do and are experts at recognizing patterns. They are the unseen force behind many of the technologies we use daily. So, neural networks are like a virtual brain learning and improving over time. Imagine neural networks as a team of workers, each with a specific job. These workers are like neurons, the basic units of a neural network. Each neuron takes in inputs, processes them, and then provides an output. Picture an assembly line in a factory. The input layer is the start of the assembly line, receiving the raw materials. The hidden layers are the diligent workers in the middle of the line, transforming the raw materials into a finished product. And finally, the output layer is the end of the assembly line, where the finished product is packaged and ready for dispatch. The beauty of a neural network lies in its layers. Each layer learns from the previous one, refining and improving the data as it moves along. It's a bit like different departments of a company working in harmony, each contributing its own unique role. In essence, these layers work together to make sense of the data they receive, much like how different departments in a company work together. Neural networks are not just a fancy tech term, they have real-world implications. From recognizing faces in a crowded room to understanding speech in a bustling cafe, they're the unseen heroes. They're the translators, bridging languages and cultures effortlessly. Even the stock market isn't immune to their influence as they help predict trends. The possibilities with neural networks are vast, helping us solve complex problems in ways we could only dream of before.